So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. We're going to find Windows Time. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows Time. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. And this should now fully sync up your time zone, and this should now fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, then you just want to restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then you want to sync your date and time again, and this should now fix your problem.